Hey, so I don't know about you, but whenever I show cryptocurrency to my friends, one of the questions that they almost all ask me is, so how can I use it? And I've had trouble explaining how you can transact in cryptocurrency to buy things that you normally buy in your day-to-day life until now. So more and more products are coming on the market that allow people to transact in crypto without the retailer necessarily even knowing that they've just accepted cryptocurrency for a purchase. One of the newest ones is called shopping.io. This is a sponsored tutorial brought to you by shopping.io with the help of my friend Ken Bozak. So I want to thank both of you very much. Okay, so when I was doing this tutorial, I had never used shopping.io before, and I was really just learning while I was recording because I wanted to be as honest as possible with anybody who's viewing about how it works and what pain points you might meet along the way. As you're going to see, I ran into several issues. One of them was that the first two transactions I tried to send, both from Bitcoin.com wallet, one in BTC and one in BCH, neither of them went through before the time ran out, and so the transactions timed out. I then thought maybe it was a problem with Bitcoin.com wallet, so I tried to pay with NEM directly from Binance, thinking that it would go faster, and that also didn't work. So I tried one more time, and I used Edge Wallet to send BTC. I also increased the gas fee to high, which means I spent about $1.36 to get the transaction to complete. So that's what you should do if you're going to go through this project. Also, you can see all of the pain points that I encountered along the way and maybe avoid hitting those pitfalls yourself. Okay, here you go. Hey, I am just bringing you this sponsored ad on how to use shopping.io, where you can shop with a discount for anything on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart and pay for it with the crypto of your choosing. So let's log in. Okay, so it looks like there is a free option and then there are paid options that are coming soon. So I'll just do the free option. Now I am going to look for stuff, I guess. Okay, shop. All right, so I don't know. There are a couple of things that I need right now, but the thing that I can think of is I'm making a video for a friend of mine and I need a lab coat because I don't know. That's just the concept. So maybe I'll look for that. Just add it to my cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Entering my address, which I'm going to block out. Place order. Select a coin. Cool. So I just was paid with Bitcoin for something the other day, so I'm going to pay with BTC Bitcoin. So this is cool. I just scanned it from my phone and it recognized that it was Bitcoin right away from the QR code. I didn't have to do anything to change anything at all. All right, cool. Send, and it's sent.
And there was much rejoicing.
Okay, what to do next? Okay, so it takes 10 to 45 minutes. All right, it's 8:12. What do you guys want to do for the next 10 to 45 minutes? What do you want to talk about? I don't know. How about I come back once the transaction is complete? Sound good?
1 hour later.
Hey, okay, so just checking in. It looks like 0.001 of the Bitcoin has two confirmations, but we're still waiting on 0.00023. So I just wanted to check in, make sure that I'm being honest with you about how long it takes for the transaction to complete. So I'll be back.
Later.
Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see on my screen, it says time left for us to confirm funds right here, and then it says too late. So I'm actually not sure what I'm going to have to do to get those funds back, but I do know that, yeah, that transaction is not going to complete. So I'm going to log back in and see what I can do. My order is currently canceled. Okay, so I'm going to have to search again. I'm going to go back to the shopping cart. Oh, okay. This is what I want. Yes. I'm going to proceed to checkout. I want to place my order. And so since I couldn't do it with BTC, what else I have in my wallet? Let's see. Okay, I have BCH in my wallet, so that's what I'm going to pay with. And I know that a lot of people are going to be like, oh, you could use XRP, you could have used Nano, you could have used this or that and that. Yeah, I know. Okay, this is what I've got in this wallet that's easy to use. All right, cool. So I'm going to choose BCH. I'm going to complete checkout. And okay, got my wallet open. I hit send. I hold it up. QR code scanned. Slide to send. Okay. Here. So it says waiting for your funds. Oh, it gives me 3 hours and 29 minutes. So let's see how long it takes. All right. I'll be back.
A few minutes later.
Hey, okay, so it has been about 30 minutes, and you can see on my screen that the Bitcoin Cash has also not arrived yet. So it is after midnight where I am right now. I'm kind of tired. I'm probably going to go to sleep. I will let you know in the morning if the transaction leads, and if not, then it was obviously my fault in both cases, so I'm going to have to go back and figure out what I did wrong. So I will talk to you tomorrow.
The next morning.
So it is now the next morning, and as you can see on my screen, my Bitcoin Cash transaction also timed out. So what that tells me is that there's probably something wrong in my wallet, but when set wrong with my gas fees, but when I opened the wallet to check the settings, all I can adjust is the gas fees for BTC. So I checked to see where I had it set, and I had it set on standard. I could raise it, but I'm probably just going to try to do the transaction in another, in a different altcoin just to see if maybe that changes things. Anyway, what I have to work on first is retrieving the BTC and BCH that I sent but didn't complete in time. So I have to figure out how to do that. And I happen to notice in my email that there is a way to do it. So we're going to do that right now. Go to my email and I see this email from Coinpayments. And it says you have a refund of 0.058 BCH available, usually due to sending not enough or too much or waiting too long so it doesn't get enough confirmations in time. So to claim the refund, I'm going to click this link. All right, it says it wants me to send my Bitcoin Cash address. I already have it copied to so I'm just going to go paste. I'm going to hit claim a refund. Cool. Refund claim. You should see it in your wallet within a few minutes. All right, so I'm going to go back and check that before the end of this broadcast so that I can confirm for you that it worked. I'm going to go back to the shopping cart. Okay, here's my item. Proceed to checkout, and then I'm going to click place order. All right, so again, I don't want to get too much of a hard time for what I'm going to choose to transact in, but I've had 2 transactions be canceled now. And maybe if I use XRP, it will go because I know that it is really fast and inexpensive. So I'm going to scroll to XRP. Actually, not an option. Okay, NIM, XMR, USDC, Tron. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to pay with NIM because I have some on an exchange that I just haven't moved for a while, so it just makes sense. So I'm going to choose NIM, which is XEM, and then I'm going to click complete checkout. All right, here is the address. So I'm going to copy the address and then I'm going to paste it. Then it says with the message set to this. So I'm going to copy and paste this as well. And then the total amount needed is 114.255. I'm going to send 115. Okay, cool. So the withdrawal request was submitted and now I'm back here. Okay, so we can watch it on this page. It's got 2 hours to complete. Waiting for the funds and it's got the balance remaining. All right. Okay, so this happened with the BTC, the BCH, and now it's happened with the XEM, and I'm not sure why. It's really strange to me, so I just want to bring it up. It's always come in with just a partial confirmation. So the BCH and the BTC both came with a partial confirmation, but the remainder was stuck, and that's why both of those transactions got canceled. So right now, with the NEM, it says that it's received 111 with 5 out of 5 confirmations, but there's a remaining 3.25518 NEM remaining. So I'm not sure why it's not all coming through at once, but that might be interesting to learn about. Okay, I'll be back and let you know when it's complete. Okay, guys, as you know, this is a sponsored video and it is sponsored by shopping.io, but in the interest of being transparent with my audience, I feel like it's really important to say that this hasn't exactly been an easy process, and there is an alternative, and that's purse.io. And so since I'm still waiting on this third transaction that I've sent to shopping.io, I kind of want to see if Purse handles things any differently or any better. So I'm going to use that while we wait and just kind of to give you a comparison experience, okay? Yeah, so 15% discount, which immediately is different from shopping.io because currently they don't have the discount programs. It looks like they're looking to add those in the near future, but they're not enabled yet. So that'd be cool. If I could get a discount, even better. All right, I want a lab coat. Search. So I've installed the Purse browser extension to see if that would help. So here I am on Amazon, and if I click login at purse.io, do that and save up to $5.61 with Bitcoin. Cool. So yeah, I'm going to click that and then I'm going to go to Purse. Okay, so now I'm going to click the widget and there we go. Click here and yeah, I'm going to proceed to checkout and I can buy it now for a 5% discount, or if I want to wait 3 to 5 days, I can save $1.26. The longer that I'm willing to wait, it looks like the more I can save, but I need this kind of quickly because I'm ready to make this video. So I'm actually just going to take the 5% discount. Okay, ship to this address. Ooh, okay, recommend adding more to or doing a buy now order to avoid this cost. Okay, so that's one downfall, I guess, of using Purse is that you're going to have to spend $25, where on Amazon, if you pay for Prime, you just get the free shipping automatically. Okay, so what's something else that I need? Oh, you know what? My daughter has been wanting a crypto shirt of her own. Click on it, add it, there. Okay, so then I want to click the Purse extension. All right, and proceed to checkout. And then I want to proceed to payment. Okay, so I can choose what I want to use: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash, credit card, other cryptocurrencies. All right, like I said yesterday, I have the Bitcoin from something that I was just paid. So let's try to do that again and just see how if it goes any differently on shopping. Okay, so I'm going to open the wallet that I'm using on my phone. I'm going to click send. I'm going to scan that QR code. All right, so I'm going to scan and check the address, and that is right. And then I'm going to preview the transaction, and I'm going to click send now, and then I'm going to hit done. Okay, so I've done that. Now I guess it's just to wait, time to wait. All right, and this one gives me 12 minutes for it to go through. So automatically, unused funds are automatically refunded. That's nice. Okay, the original price, estimated tax, total savings $1.91. Cool. Let's just come back and see if it goes through. Okay, so just so I can clarify with you, it looks like the order for through Purse was accepted, and you can see it on my screen right now. That doesn't mean that the Bitcoin went faster to Purse. It means that Purse is probably using a third party. I mean, but it was really convenient, so that's nice. Okay, so I'm done with Purse, and I will come back and let you know what the status is on the shopping.io transaction as soon as I can. Okay, so there's an hour and 4 minutes and 45 seconds left on this shopping.io transaction before it times out. So I am going to go work out and hope that it completes while I'm gone, and then I'll I will report back to you.
2 hours later.
Okay, hi. So I just got back from my jog and I see that my transaction timed out. So I'm going to have to claim those tokens again. But before I do that, I'm going to try one more time to go through shopping.io. I'm going to try to use a different wallet. I'm going to set the gas fee to high, and then we're going to see what can be done, if there's anything. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just try New Balance, trail running shoes, women. This is what I want. I'm going to in shopping.io, I'm going to add them to my cart. Then I'm going to remove these and I'm going to proceed to checkout. All my information is already entered. I'm going to choose this and I'm going to place my order. I'm going to try to pay in Bitcoin and complete checkout. So from my wallet, I am going to send and a scan. Okay, so I have the fee, change the mining fee. I'm going to set it to high and then I hit save. So the fee is going to be $1.22 if it goes through, and I'm going to slide to confirm. Okay, my transaction has been successful. Cool. So we're going to wait and see how long this takes. Waiting for the fund. Okay, I will be back as soon as this is completed.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so obviously it was some kind of user error, or I just didn't have the gas fees set high enough, because you can see right now on my screen this final time worked. So it says that it's complete. All right, awesome. Okay, so hopefully that all, I'm going to go check in. It says paid right here. Oh, it wants me to set up a password or set up an account for Coinpayments. So I'll do that. Then it asks for state of residence. Then it asks for your time zone. Thanks for creating an account and email. All right, so I got to go check my email. And now I can log in. And I need to do the CAPTCHA. All right, so it looks like I'm set up. Now that I have this account set up, maybe I can hold cryptocurrencies here for the future so that I don't have to face those kinds of problems. It looks like I can do that. I can have a wallet and send and receive, and then take me to the coin wallet so I can start sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. I can click select, and then it looks like I can add all kinds of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Lightning, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Velas, Orbit, Butcoin, 0x, Ethereum, EtherGang, a whole bunch of different tokens. And then maybe the payment will go through faster. Really cool. Looking forward to that. So there was one more thing that I kind of wanted to explore before. Add your coin. So I'm not sure what that means, but if you could add your own coin for payment, that might mean that then we'll be able to pay with more coins. So coin hosting request on the Coinpayments platform is the ideal way to increase the number of users of your coin. Our hosted wallets allow users to store, send, and retrieve your coin on our custom. You have to pay a $25 non-refundable application fee. Okay, this could be really cool. I'm not going to do it today because the video has already gone probably far too long. But I want to thank again Ken Bozek for hooking me up with shopping.io and shopping.io for sponsoring this tutorial. Okay, so thank you so much for watching that tutorial. Yeah, I decided to show all of it because I figured that if I was hitting problems, other users may as well. A couple of things that I want to note about the video. After I filmed it, I was talking to Ken and saying, why wouldn't anybody just use purse.io instead, which I showed you how to do during the video. And Ken brought up some really interesting points that I hadn't considered. So when you use Purse, you're actually putting an order in that someone else who has an Amazon gift card then has to complete for you in order to receive the funds that you've sent. Often that means that people in other countries who have only Amazon gift cards but would rather have cryptocurrency are losing, 5 to 20% of the value just so that you can get a deal. If you're okay with that, fine. But if there's an alternative, like shopping, maybe that's something that you could consider using. For now, I could see how many people wouldn't do it because there isn't a discount program available. In fact, I had to spend, $1.30 to send the Bitcoin. So I doubt that very many people will actually spend more money so that they can transact directly in cryptocurrency, rather than just using their bank account or Venmo or PayPal or whatever you use to pay for things. But that is supposed to be changing really soon, and I will bring you an update on it as soon as it's complete. So again, I want to thank Ken Bosak and shopping.io for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.